Hello kids, today we will see the workbook activity. So all of you take out your workbook and pencil, eraser, all the things you take out, then we will start. Okay, so the first question is, which is a question, circle the correct option for each of these. You have to circle. Okay, Rajiv's uncle lives in Canada. Out of India. I already told you. Out of India, if you want to go, then which of these vehicles can his family use to reach Canada quickly? Which vehicle they can use? Just see which vehicle they can use and they can reach fast. Yes, it's aeroplane. Yes, in aeroplane we can reach fast. Then next question, Simran wants to meet her cousin who lives in a neighboring city. Which of these can she use to go there? See, Simran's cousin lives in the neighboring city. So, in the neighboring city if she is living, so which vehicle we can use? Yes, car. In car we can visit our neighboring cities, right? Then Farah want to meet her friends. They live 5 houses away. Which of these should she use to reach their house? Farah is living and her friends are living nearby houses, live 5 houses away. So which vehicle she will use? Bus? No. Truck? No. Cycle? Yes, cycle. She will use cycle, right? In the shorter distance you should use cycle, or you can walk and go, right? Now we'll see the next question. If you have to visit your neighborhood friend, which means of transport would you use to go to his or house? Why? See, in the neighborhood, if any friend is living, so which vehicle you will use? I will use my cycle to visit my friend's house in neighborhood. See, you have to use your cycle, right? Because it saves the fuel and keep the air clean, right? Sometimes fuel may cause air pollution. Some vehicles may cause air pollutions, and it consumes fuel and all, so we should save them, right? So we should use cycle to visit our neighborhood friend. Okay, up to here everyone done? Now we'll see, join the dots and color the picture, then answer the question. See, in this I have already done. What you have to do? You have to join the dots 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, you have to join it. Okay, then you have to color whichever color you want to do, you can color it. Okay, now we will you seen this picture? What do you see? It's a boat, right? Now we will answer some of the questions. Okay, so now answer the question in that, in which category will you place the vehicle shown? Boat, which category it comes? Land vehicle, water vehicle, or air vehicle? Which vehicle is that? Yes, it's a water vehicle. Yes, very good. Now the second question, how many wheels does it have? Does it have any wheel? Anyone know? No, 0. It has no wheels, right? Then third question, does this vehicle add dust and smoke to the air while moving? Yes or no? Does it create any dust or smoke? No, it doesn't create any smoke or dust. Yes, up to here everyone done? Now the fourth question, can this vehicle be used to travel long distance? Give a reason for your answer. Will you use this for the long distance? No, it is not used for the long distance travel because it is mainly used for lake boating and fishing, right? For fishing purpose, the fisherman uses this boat, and for lake boating, you all have must be done the lake boating, right? For this purpose only they use this boat. Okay, up to here, everyone done? Now we will move to the next question. Read the clues and tick correct to the picture, right? Many people can travel in this vehicle. Just look at the picture. It's cycle. In cycle only one people can go, right? And in bus, yes, in bus many people can travel from one place to another, right? So it's bus, right? Now the second one, this vehicle is used to carry heavy things. Just see, have you seen jeep? No, jeep is not used for the heavy, to carry heavy things. Then what else is there? Truck. Have you seen in on your way to school, you might be have seen this heavy trucks. They carry heavy things, right? So truck. Then next question, we wear seat belts when traveling by this vehicle. Have you sat on rickshaw? Do we have any seat belt? No. Then which vehicle? Car. Yes, in car we have the seat belt, right? Then the next question, we wear helmet while traveling by this vehicle. Which vehicle we use helmet while traveling? And tractor. Have you seen this tractor? Tractor mainly is used in the farm area, right? And this bike, do we wear helmet while driving a tractor? No. While driving a bike, yes. While driving a bike, we use helmet, and we must use helmet, right? If your parents, your any relatives are not using, tell them that you also wear a helmet, right? It may save us from accidents, right? So it's bike. Then this vehicle carries patients to hospitals. Which vehicle carry? Anyone know? The big truck or ambulance? You have seen ambulance, right? Yes, in ambulance, the sick peoples or any emergency, if any people are having, we call ambulance, right? Then which vehicle? This vehicle is used by the army. Which vehicle is used by the army? Bus? No. Yes, the army vehicle. Yes, very good, everyone. Up to here, everyone done? Yes, completed. So you have to learn well and do your work properly. Okay.